Hey guys, how are we? Hope you're all having a bubbly day. Today is a beautiful sunny hot day. Today is a 42-degree day today, and what Uncle Maz decided to do is go around and has been invited to actually drive around in a group of boys on bikes. So that's what we're doing today here in Phuket. We're starting off in Kathul at Phuket, Kathul. And yeah, just let me introduce you to some of the boys. Let's go. How you going, boys? How's everyone going? Good?
Yeah, good.
That's good. Who do we got here? Let's go. We start off with Uno. Hello, Uno. Sawadee Krap. Maddie, my friend here. Hello.
Gian.
How you going, Gian? How are you? Good?
Yeah, very good.
We've got our friend here from the UK. He's on the phone at the moment, so we'll get him a bit better. So what we're doing is we're going for a cruise for about, what, 2 hours? Yep, 2.5 hours. Just driving around and taking it all in, guys. So the team is here. We're waiting on a couple more people, but going to be very exciting to go out on the road and check it all out. So beautiful here. So this is one of my bucket lists, to go out there and just explore. And who else will do it except with the boys. So these are, by the way, not just the boys on bikes, but they'll be actually in our new movie, which is, we'll let you know very soon of the name. Can't expose too much at the moment. But yes, guys, it's going to be an awesome new movie, casting a lot of different people, and it's going to be really exciting. So stay with us and take you with us on the trip. Let's go. That's the whole thing, folks. Let's go. That's it, ready? Go, I'll follow you. What's nice, folks, is that this is a very nice drive with the boys, going out to see all different tracks where we can drive around, check out some beautiful scenery, which is so nice, refreshing, very refreshing, and it's nice. There's a bit of a hump there. It's just a good social activity to do. You know, when you're on holidays, you get to bond with people as well. Seeing some amazing scenery. You'll see more. Let's go. We'll take it to the next. Hello. Okay. Let's continue. Through some of the back streets, the really back roads of all the beautiful environments. So gorgeous. Like, God's creation is just unbelievable. Like the greenery all around. You know, we've just arrived at this elephant park. I'll show you. Hey bros. The boys I've been riding with, they're awesome. The Godfather, Gian, Uno. They're all here. They're all here. The whole family's here. Yeah. How you doing, Uno?
I'm good. Good.
Thanks for this invitation, man.
Yeah,
This
no
is
worries.
really nice, you know. Everyone all around the world
Phil,
can
my
see
man.
this yet. The boys are leading us into this amazing ride.
We're the backboard guys. Backroad guys.
The Backstreet Boys.
Ano number ni Mati?
Show you some of these elephants. They're very, very nice. Yeah, beautiful. You see, there's a couple of elephants. There's trekking. So nice, so beautiful. Did you hear that? That was cool. Where are you? Look at this. Oh, look. Look who we got here. I'll show you. Where is he? There he is. They got guys, we're continuing our ride, but I just like to. We're just on a bit of a break, so I thought I'd show you around. I hope you enjoy what's more to come. Let's go. All having a good time so far. We're still cruising around the streets of Thailand. Let's go. Well, we have just stopped here. There's kayaking and all this stuff here. How are you liking it so far, Bob? I hope you guys are enjoying the same thing that I'm enjoying. The view here is incredible. It's amazing. It's so gorgeous. Oh, guys, you need to see it for real. Like, camera doesn't do it justice, you know. But keep going, let's keep going. Wow, folks, look at this. Look at this place. Look at this place. This is nice. So we've arrived at our second break, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying it. It's 1 second. Wow, I'm loving the rush. Loving the rush, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the tour that we're taking is on. It is a beautiful tour, and you gotta see what I'm looking at right now. Give me a second. There's a kayaking rental. Look at this. Look at this place. Wow, folks. Look at that. Just the pure bliss. It's just beautiful. The scenery is just incredible. Wow. Breathtaking, honestly. It's oh no! Oh, look at that, twin turbo, cooling down. Yeah. Guys, check this out. Oh, what's going on? It's hot under the You can see this guy's heated up and the ride like he's really smoking it. So we are making our way to the place, the rabbit hole. Have a look. Hey folks, we have arrived to the rabbit hole. The rabbit hole, I believe, what is this place?
It's Thing Road. Come here for some rabbit stew.
Oh no, rabbit stew! Look at this. Hey Ton,
Hey.
gonna get ourselves some rabbits. Oh really? No way, this is so what, we're going to actually be riding a train? We're going to be riding a train to go to this restaurant. That's okay.
Very small train.
I look very silly if I take this helmet with me to this restaurant. Let's go folks. Woo. I'll tell you what, it's been an awesome adventure so far. It's been really cool. Honestly, I've been loving the ride. It's breathtaking.
I can see the rabbits over there.
Oh wow, already? Come, let's have a look at this. You can see some rabbits. Come, let's go. Look at this. Let's have a look at these rabbits. So this is a rabbit park. It's where Roger Rabbit. Oh wow, look what I just saw over there. Look at this. That there is a rabbit. And they said we're going to be riding this train to the restaurant. You see that, guys? There's the train. Yeah, we're going to ride. Let's see, Let's see. I'm loving this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. So there's train tracks. Somebody come? Somebody make up? This lovely lady here taking care of the rabbit. The rabbit park.
Hey, Thomas. You wanna ride?
Yeah, for sure.
Look at this.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump on this for sure, guys.
Ah, look at the thing.
Uncle Maz and his toys. Look, his toys are here.
Wow, look at that. Let me count. So you can ride this?
Yeah, you can. This is the train we're gonna ride to the.
Boy, look at the water.
Yeah, I know. Look at it. Bloody marvelous.
Water.
Bloody marvelous. Oh, look, Bruno's walking on water.
Fantastic.
Excellent. The boys is next. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Oh wow, guys, this is so beautiful. It is. And look at this. Look at that swing there. So beautiful. Let's walk on this, huh? Uh-oh. It's a bit slippery. Oh, see the fish, guys? Look. Amazing waterfall, beautiful. Let's see the boys. The boys know I love my toys, so straight away they saw this train, they go, here, we found some toys for you. Look at them. Look at the boys. Look at the boys walking on the train tracks.
If you go with the train,
The train ride. The train ride. Little bits and pieces, guys. Look at this. Rabbit house. Look at the rabbit house. Look at that. Cool.
guys, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Uncle Maz, the
Uncle
toy
Maz.
master. We'll bring the world to you faster with a smile,
Yeah.
with no disaster.
Eat first. Let's go eat.
Uno wants to eat.
Yep, always.
Actually, I'm using him as an excuse. I want to eat too.
What up, yo?
What up, what up?
Yeah.
Uno domain.
Uncle Mass
Adventure. Hey, hey, hey. It's good, I'm rubbing off on him. Look at this. One buffalo coming right up. Oh, no, he's not looking. Oh, no, it's all good, man. It's all good. Yeah, I'll take it easy. Get in. That's it. What's this? Oh. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Peacock, peacock in the house. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. This is a cool place. This is really cool, this place. Wow. Rabbit's World. Look at this. Look. Roger Rabbit. Roger Rabbit. We're still going to show you more. Stay with us. Part 2. Hang on, guys. Continuing on for part 2. Look at this. We are still here at the rabbit place, but this is some nice. Look. Check this out. So we've got the. We're in the cafe here, the rabbit cafe. Yep. They keep everybody entertained here. Yes. Look at this. How cute. How cute. Little goats. You've got donkeys. Donkeys. You've got a horse. Oh, how cute. Look at that.
Yeah, we're coming back here. There's boat and zip line.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. We just discovered that in this place here, you can actually ride in boats, and there's an actual zip line that goes above the pond. Check this out. So here is like houses for people that work here. Then there's a zip line, start of it. There's the little boats you can actually rent and go around with. Look at them, how cute. Look at these guys. How you going? Feeling a bit goosey. And look, there's a zip line. You can see this goes from there all the way across down there. What an amazing, spectacular place, guys. Look at that. Little white house there. Not the same as the other white house. This is a peaceful one. Very peaceful, actually. Hope you guys have enjoyed our motorbike ride. I definitely did. It's honestly so beautiful, overwhelming, breathtaking. You know, it's seeing just nature. Seeing nature, it's very refreshing, and how can I say this? Gives you a bit of charge. So, you know what I mean? Like it's. When you go back to your normal life, you need these breaks every now and then just to connect with life itself, you know. So anyway, enough talking. I'll show you more around. Stay with us. Guys, here we are again at the Rabbit Hole place, Rabbit Hole Park, and this is on the other side now of the actual pond. Have a look at that. So that's what's really nice about this is there's a train track, like I said, that goes throughout the whole park. So I mean, look, it's just in here, and we're going to be riding on a train soon. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be exciting. What we're going to do is jump on the train. We're going to cruise around this park to see where all the rabbits are and the rabbit holes. So that's what this place is called, the Rabbit Hole Park, and it's for that reason. It's for that reason. But yeah, guys, it's really, really beautiful. Look at this. Like, it's the greenery. The greenery is so refreshing. It's just... And by the way, guys, for everybody that's got kids, this is the place to bring your kids. It is really fun and really fresh. Let's go. That's it, folks. So that's all the boys. We are now leaving the Rabbit Hole Park, so it was lovely being here. Ready back to ride back to Patong. So let's go, folks. Thanks for watching, and see you on the other side. Lovely days all the ways. Where are we going, folks? God knows where we are. Oh, we're on a gravel road now. We've got to concentrate. So folks, we are moving towards Patong. Oh good? This way for Patong?
Turn right, to white. You can go to Batam.
Right.
To white.
Okay,
Right,
no worries.
right.
Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it.
Okay.
That's it. See the boys looking after us. Thank you very much, man. Kampung Kap. Okay, folks, so we're going to end it here. Hope you enjoyed the tour. See you in Patong. Bye-bye.